All right, IBAISL2. We are going to do a quick video today just to show you guys how to create a scatter plot on your TI. There's lots of ways you can do scatter plots, but like Desmos and things, or you could sketch them by hand. But I noticed there's a lot of them in your homework, so I'm going to show you the quick way to do this. So the first thing you're going to do is hit your stat button, and then you're going to hit edit. You guys are well familiar with list 1 and list 2. I'm just going to use the data that's already in my calculator. So I got like 25 all the way up to 85, and then there's some random like Y values over here. The first thing I'm going to notice is that the biggest and smallest X, because like these are going to be your X values and these are going to be your Y values. The smallest X is 25 and the biggest X is 85. The smallest Y value looks to be about 5 and the biggest is 67. So I'm going to go ahead and hit my window and make my X's go from about 20 up to 90. They went from 25 to 85, but I'm going to give myself a little breathing room on either edge. What did I say the other ones went up through? Well, let's just start at 0 with those, and then I think 67 was the biggest one, so we'll set our Y max to 70. Now, you're going to hit second and then hit the stat plot button, which is also the Y equals button. Now, all of your stat plots are probably off right now, but hit enter on plot 1, and then we're going to highlight on and hit enter again. Now this is going to turn your stat plots on. You can also see that like the type of graph we're going to do is a scatter plot right here. You might recognize these guys right here. Those are your box plots with outliers, histogram, a lot of good stuff in here. Then it's going to say we're taking the X list from L2 and the Y list from L1. I actually want the reverse of that, so I'm going to hit second and then the L1 button, and then I'm going to go down here, hit second and the L2 button. So now I'm pulling all my X's from L1, pulling all my Y's from L2, and you get to customize whatever type of mark you want. Boxes, pluses, or little dotties. I'm going to go boxes. Now if I hit graph, hopefully I'll see a good scatter plot. There it is. Nice. Looks like it's kind of going downhill. That's going to come up in our other video. Going downhill, but not strongly. All right, guys. Happy calculatoring.